cooking with JJ. He's getting set up here. He's got his. This is a Weber barbecue. Oh, nice. So this is a combination gas and
charcoal.
Charcoal. Oh, you don't use lumps?
Yeah, I do. I should use it all winter long. I'm a barbecue man.
Oh, that cleans the vent. Oh, nice. So what are you going to cook tonight?
Some lambs.
Oh,
Little
nice. Lamb. Blue. That's the color you wanted?
I didn't have any choices. I wanted something other than black. I wanted red, but they didn't have it. Here I have my store my charcoal.
That's the charcoal bin?
Yeah.
Oh, that comes with it, huh?
What we do is open this, the valve for the gas.
That's the gas valve?
Yeah. Eat that up. Give it a little scrub.
Hold it. So it's got a flame going under there already?
Yeah.
Good, so it's gas assist.
Yeah, mature by itself. You can see from now that it started to heat up.
Oh yeah, there's a little bit of heat there.
Yeah.
So how long have you had this barbecue?
A year now.
Oh yeah?
Thanks to you.
Do you know anybody else that has this model?
No. No, I haven't.
Why did you get this? You researched it?
Yeah, I researched it on Amazon.com.
And they said this is the...
On Amazon and other magazines, and I wanted the charcoal barbecue.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see. It's the window. Oh, viens les mettre ici.
So what happens now?
So we wait for the potatoes for another 10 minutes, and we should put the lamb in. They're very small pieces, so it shouldn't take that much to cook. Yeah.
Oh, those look nice.
So now we put the lamb. Nice pieces.
It comes pre-marinated, huh?
Yeah, pre-marinated. Now I wanted to buy a rack of lamb, and she found that at Costco, so it was better. So you don't have the...
This is the meaty part of the rack anyways.
Yeah.
I like to eat lamb.
It's good. So Jason, are you missing lamb? Would you like to eat lamb? Unfortunately, you're not here.
And you can't barbecue in Toronto. It's against the law.
In the city?
He can't have a barbecue, I don't think. That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, that works pretty good. It's hotter than you know what.
Like it cooked?
Good heat there now, huh?
Yeah. Sweet potato is gonna be good. I like sweet potato.
And sweet potato French fries are good too.
Yeah.
That was good.
How's the lamb?
Very, very good. Very tender, rosé, perfect.
Yeah?
It's very
Really
good.
well cooked. Like a chef.
Delicious. Like a chef? Cook like a chef?
I cook like a chef.